Here's a funny story, hope you understand. Listen very closely if you possibly can. It's a story of two popcorn kernels in a red-hot pan. One turned to the other and said, "Hey man, I'm too poop to pop, and I ain't lying. I'm too poop to pop, just laying here frying. Salt and butter's ready and the fire's hot, but seems like I'm just too poop to pop. Too poop to pop and I ain't playing possum. I'm too poop to pop and I do wanna blossom. Don't like the bottom, wanna get up on top, but seems like I'm just too poop to pop." The state, that's where I was born. I really truly came from a fine era corn. My mama and my papa were a wonderful crop. You should have seen them blow up when they put them in the pot. But I'm just too poop to pop, and I ain't lying. I'm too poop to pop, just laying here frying. Don't like the bottom, wanna get up on top, but seems like I'm just too poop to pop.